Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your TikTok account to another phone. So first of all, what you have to do is, if this is your secondary device, you're going to have to get logged into your TikTok account, select three bar icon, go for settings and privacy, and under account, you will see account itself, tap onto it. Select account information, then you will see your phone number and password as well. Now you're going to have to remember your phone number, your username or email address, and your password. So these are your credentials for TikTok. So go ahead and open your primary device where you would like to transfer your TikTok account. For example, if this is your, let's say, primary device, you're going to have to open your TikTok application. In my case, I'm showing you in a browser, but in your case, open a TikTok app. You'll see a page like this. Now in here, select use phone, email, or username. And as you do that, go ahead, type in your phone number, select login. If you remember your username or email address, go ahead and select this tab, type in your username or email address, type in password, then select login. Make sure the credentials are correct, and then this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.